Have you ever had to lose yourself in order to find it? I went to Hollywood to be Jamaica's first Oscar-winning actress and director, and it was very, very exciting, let me tell you. However, I recognize that in order for me to succeed in that space, I had to sound more American, get a better understanding of the American culture. Now, don't get me wrong, I have no problem with that whatsoever. But what I realized was, in order to do that, I had to significantly reduce and on some level lose my Jamaicanness. Hi, my name is Sharanda Farrell-Cupid and I'm CEO of YAAD Bridge Entertainment. My friends and relatives would call me all the time and say, Sharanda, how come we're not seeing more authentic Jamaican characters in the films and television shows coming out of LA? First of all, I don't own LA. But also, that hit me, it hit home. I could not blame a system, that is called Hollywood, for not telling stories with authenticity, because they can't tell a story that you don't know, a story that you have not lived. Hence the need for YAAD Bridge Entertainment. This is where we tell our own stories from our own perspective, authentically. YAAD Bridge Entertainment, Caribbean stories, global audiences. Thank you for stopping by.